Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solution. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This is a rear entry, brand new wheelchair accessible conversion with the key fob here. I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. So again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. And if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out of the vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. And the rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to getting a rear entry, but we do sell side entries, we sell full size, we even sell trucks and SUVs. So if you don't see it on our website, we might have it coming in, or we can sure find it. Let us know. 800-pound weight capacity. You've got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then 56 once you're inside the van. When you get that little center console there, it does take out about 2 or 3 inches there, so be aware of that. And it's got the deep cut, so if you want to hold 2 wheelchairs at a time, it's got the deep cut, so you can do that. Upgraded Q-strength tie downs, we throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge, so make sure you're comparing apples to apples. It's got your 8 tie down points in here for the 2 wheelchairs. You can even put a gurney kit in here if you like. We can put seats that flip up on their side, flip base seating if you want. Between those seats is about 21 inches of room. If you want more room, talk to me about seating. We can even put a 3rd row seat that'll flip down, so you could hold 6 plus a wheelchair. So tell me your measurements, tell me how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner's in great shape, got your cup holders in the back. You can get your privacy blinders back here on top of the tinted windows. Got your tie down and warranty information there as well. Got this nice center console here for all your passengers in both front and rear. Got even more cup holders up here. Plug-ins for your electronics. Dual climate control. It's got your heated seats and heated steering wheel. Got your backup camera. You can sync up your phone there as well. Nice loaded up vehicle. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. And you can also operate all the power doors up here as well. And when you come out, simply reverse the process. And our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Look at that, 1 finger. Now our competition, they're going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. Everyone's going to tell you they have the best, but I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Ours is 3 years unlimited miles. I want you to compare that. A lot of the companies have no warranty. Some are 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are 3 year, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare those to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the better built conversion. Simple, isn't it? Got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Like I mentioned, tinted windows with the alloy wheels. It's got 4 brand new tires on this van. 4 brand new tires, so you're good to go there. As I do a walk around, you can see the van is nice and clean. No major dents or scratches. Very well taken care of. And you hear me talk a lot about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on a wheelchair van. It's very simple, folks. We have one location right here in the middle of the country. We're in Wichita, Kansas, right in the center of the country. That allows me to be able to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, obviously saving you a ton of money. The other thing is we have one location, meaning I want you to imagine our competition with all the overhead they have. You know, if you have 2 stores, 5 stores, 10, 20, 50, 100, imagine how much overhead that is compared to our 1 store we have here. We're very efficient, low overhead. It's very simple math. That's how we save you $5,000 to $10,000 on our wheelchair vans. Please look around and compare. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And what I mean by that, there's a lot of scammers. Facebook Marketplace is 80% scam. So if you're looking there, you better watch out. You better know what you're doing. But they're taking pictures. They're cutting out our sign up there for our website. And they're posting pictures. Say a van like this, you know, it's $12,000 to buy the van, $1,000 deposit. They're trying to scam you, get you to send them money. Ask them, hey, I want you to make me a video with the VIN number. So I'm Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. Here's the VIN number to this van. Got it right here in my possession. They could not do that because they don't even have these vans. They're just stealing pictures and trying to sell it and scam people. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number like I just did. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, you can see 3 owners, minor damage at one point. I'm going to show that to you. As we scroll down though, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, does show the minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. But as we scroll down here, let me get to that minor damage. It does show January of 2024. Damage to rear. Airbag did not deploy. So, and it says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So, you know, someone might have backed into it in parking lot, small ding. But when they convert these, they take the whole back end apart, put it all back together. So I can assure you, no major damage whatsoever on this vehicle. So just minor damage. And no matter who you do business with, look at the reputation online. Find us on eBay, 1,561 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them on Google. First of all, make sure they are a real company. Second, make sure they have a lot of reviews. Get 328 reviews last I saw. Yep, 328, 4.8 out of 5 stars. You know, I talk to people all the time. I hear horror stories how they bought from one of these private individuals, someone off the streets they knew nothing about. They buy from one of these dealers that's got the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of the 4.8 like we do. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people selling stolen vehicles out there. They end up buying a vehicle that had a salvage title they weren't told about, been in a bad accident, flood damage, major mechanical issues, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want those 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Another great feature about this van, got the remote start right there, so whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's wintertime and you want to come out to nice heated seats and heated steering wheel ready to go, you've got that option. Got the power driver seat, got the black leather seats. Driver's seat works great. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And it's got the off button there if you ever want to turn these doors. Manual doors to open and shut quickly, you know, if you're ever going to use this for business. Back seats, much of the same, very nice, very clean. It's even got the heated seats in the rear. See that little, got the power window and the heated seat over there. So yeah, this is a fully loaded van. Got our rear air controls. Got our DVD right there. Also, if you got passengers in the back that want a little entertainment. And once you're inside the van, we do have the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. Turn the van on officially. All the dummy lights work and they all go out. 58,447 miles on the van. Like I mentioned, it's got the backup camera. I'm going to test that radio real quick so you can hear that it works. Radio works fine. And I'm going to pop the hood here. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those moving. There's that window over there moving. Test all the power locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these on a road test, check the tires, replace fluids as necessary. Even showing you the back vents back here work. And my point is, we don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like most dealers do. We're very thorough in everything we do, and I hope you can tell that by our videos. Underneath the hood, we've got a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or fluid leaks, no signs of any no flood damage, you know, no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's low miles and it looks good in pictures, they assume it's never been in a bad accident. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a flood. And folks, I got news for you. Brand new car dealerships get flooded all the time. The water does not discriminate. So if brand new vehicles can have bad flood damage, used vehicles obviously can too. So no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you their reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, and never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting. No bent metal from an accident under here, no signs of any flood damage. But they get up on the roof and take pictures and videos. You have no idea how many vehicles I'll see at auction. They have a damaged roof, bad hail damage on the roof. They have holes drilled in the roof from people putting signs up there for like a taxi or something like that. Nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. I get up on this overpass over here. I take pictures of the roof. Fixing to show you a video of the roof. So make sure you know what you're getting in them. When it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are showing you what kind of vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. And what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual What happens if you end up getting a van that won't pass inspection because it's got frame damage to the frame, from whether it be from an accident or a flood? In both those cases, you won't be able to get a title for it. If you can't get a title for it, you can't drive it. Congratulations, you just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid that and so many more issues, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a brand new set of shoes off Amazon. This is a very expensive purchase. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. Carfax do cost the most, but I pay them because they are the best. Spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax. I demand the best. You should too. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. We talked about this already, but lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. I'll show you the roof up top here. Again, very clean. So let's get the van out for a test drive so you can hear it run. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, if you come in and drive this town and country home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Give it some gas here, and you'll see the steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Good acceleration. Transmission shifts smoothly, pops up to 70 miles an hour. Absolutely no problems at all. I got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Runs darn near like a brand new van. It's very nice, very well taken care of. And do keep in mind, we do have a 90-day complimentary warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term extended warranties that are factory type warranties, and additional warranties that go all the way up to, I believe, 4 years on this age of vehicle. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, they got a $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all the hidden fees and the cost of shipping, see that little orange light right there? The blind spot monitor as well. It's got those on both sides, so if someone's in my blind spot, it'll let me know. So another great feature for this van, a great safety feature. But back to what I was saying, no hidden fees for us. What they don't tell you about till it's time to close the deal, like I said, all the fees. So my question to you, if someone's not being upfront and honest about the fees, you know, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So be sure to ask yourself those questions when you're out shopping. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text message, here's a direct line to my cell phone, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you just call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call or preferably a text. That's the best way to get a hold of us. We'll walk you through start to finish, make sure we get you taken care of, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this town and country whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available for 2015. It would be a little tougher, but we can sure give it a shot. We can send an application to your phone or email address. And if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone or text us so we can get you taken care of. We'll call you. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so we try to be as thorough as possible. And if you do want to come in, please make sure you make an appointment with us. We've got vans stored in 4 different locations. We got to find out what you're looking for, be most efficient as we can with your time and ours. Call us, text us, make that appointment. We'd be happy to take care of you, but please make that appointment. I say that all the time. No one ever makes an appointment. You got to make an appointment. But and if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today and have yourself a wonderful day.